On 12th of September, a person identified as Abul Ali Hussain, 46 years old, was hired by Bonglong Terang for maintenance and revival of the fresh ring water in his residence, as the ring well was dehydrated slowly. Locals informed that the victim entered the ring well at around 11 a.m. to start deepening the ring well. It was then the victim started struggling to breathe as the oxygen level was low inside, which resulted to his death due to suffocation. Locals informed that the only ring well where the villagers could obtain fresh drinking water is from the ring well situated at Bonglong Terang's residence. It is a lifeline to nearly 62 families of the village. But due to non-maintenance of the ring well is on a merge of dehydration and drying up. The villagers are forced to hire Abul Ali Hussain for digging up the ring well, as there was no any man from the village who is willing to volunteer in the task. Tragically, the man died while working inside the ring well due to shortage of oxygen supply inside.
Pining dom lang sok mo bidan masih dia lah soalang kene sabak sosolo yimine phan pura ni munit chang ni eglo chang ni si dak lang patugi pusi kene lu la ringal lu long pa ki ko itu panuk cho lang po jalu.
The villagers reported about the incident to the police, and putting up their collective efforts, they tried to rescue the body several times, yet they failed over and over again. Leaving no way out, SDRF team was later called from Golaghat for the recovery of the deceased body.
Alang bang sun tek puya lo ni sun po puya lo mat sun tuk lo alang bang ni tum bang ke anda tek tepu bang pi do ni tum he klem rapet tum he di amat si alang bang sun tuk lo bang un ida long ke inge an ke hang nang yong si un ilu pulute bangoi pun ni tum hang ulu sita un ida long ke alang.
Police informed that the cause of death might be due to asphyxiation. The actual cause would be ascertained after the post-mortem report. Bijoy Rongpi's report from Dilai, Karbianglong Live.